Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is an online video by Britain International School System. Now we are going to study your favorite subject, English. Open up your fluency book. Do you know why we study fluency book? We study fluency book to be fluent in speaking English. Today we are going to study unit number 18. Unit name is Fireworks. Fireworks means sparklers. Dear students, as you know, Ben, Sam, Nina, Tilly, Miss Plum, Mr. Fun, Moby, Polly and the weatherman, they were on an island. They have got 9 gold stars and they all are very happy. Now it's a time of celebration. After reading this unit, we'll see how they have celebrated the last night.
Unit 18. Fireworks. The children are sitting around a fire. It is their last night on the island. They are eating and drinking and singing songs. They are very happy. They have got the 9 gold stars. The stars are in a beautiful box.
Well done, children. You've got all the stars. Yes, we have. But how can we put the stars in the sky? Like this. Open the box, Sam. OK. Take 2 or 3 stars each. Be careful, Ben. Don't drop them. Walk round the fire in a circle.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Count to 3 and throw your stars into the fire.
1, 2, 3. Look! Fireworks!
Fantastic!
Wow! Oh, they're beautiful! Fireworks are flying over the children's heads. They are flying up into the sky. They are flying towards the moon. Look at the sky!
The stars are in the sky. There isn't a big hole.
Hooray!
Well done!
The next day... Now it is time to go home. Ben, Nina, Tilly and Miss Plum are in the helicopter. Sam is going with them. But where is Moby? Oh, Moby! Be careful!
Goodbye!
It's time to leave the island of adventure.
Wow, the children were very excited and they have enjoyed a lot. Now, let's move to the words that are to be highlighted. Read these words with me. Sitting, singing, beautiful, drinking, eating, count, towards, fireworks, helicopter, adventure, elephant, monkeys, weather, everyone, goodbye. Again read these words with me. Sitting, singing, beautiful, drinking, eating, count, towards, fireworks, helicopter, adventure, elephant, monkeys, weather, everyone, goodbye. Dear students, do practice of these words with puff sound along with highlighting. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. May Allah bless you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.